In this video, we are going to discuss about publisher and subscriber. Publisher and subscriber are nothing but the nodes in ROS. Nodes is nothing but the code, right? So that's it. Publisher and subscriber are nothing but the code. But why we call them as publisher and subscriber? Okay, so the node which sends the data is publisher and the node which receives the data is subscriber. Okay, so this was the theoretical concept. But if we discuss about this for a real robot, then how it works? So publisher is a node which sends the data. So let's assume that we have a sensor, LiDAR sensor, which measures the distance from the obstacle. So whatever distance is calculated can be sent through the publisher, the node which sends the data. Okay, so we can get the sensor data and send it further to the robot. Okay, so now we are sending the data through the publisher and that data goes through the topic. Topic is nothing but the communication channel and then it is received by the subscriber. So we send the data to the subscriber so that the robot can make decisions according to it. For example, the publisher node is of the LiDAR sensor. We get the distance calculated by it and we send it to the robot for further processing. So we can use that data to stop the robot or else change the direction as well. So it works accordingly. But the main point here is the communication happens through the topic and the topic name should be same. Unless and until the topic name is not same, the communication will not happen. For example, the publisher is sending data through the topic sensor data. Okay, the topic name is sensor data. So the subscriber's topic name should also be sensor data in order to receive the data, because unless and until the broadcasting channel or else the communication channel is not same, the communication will not happen between these two nodes, that is the publisher and subscriber. Okay, so if we summarize publisher and subscriber, these are nothing but the nodes which communicate with each other as a sender and a receiver. That's it. So this was for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.